Hey guys, my name is Dawnita and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, well, welcome back to my channel and thank you for rocking with your girl. And if this is your very first time here, let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and we gonna be right back.
Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think?
Who said Ariel couldn't be black? Part of your... Alright, I'm not a singer. I can't sing. But yes, this hair is giving me some Ariel vibes, okay? Today I am reviewing another Outre unit. Of course it's Outre. They have been dropping some massive heat. I've been feeling their colors, their styles, everything. Also, thank you Outre for kindly sending me this unit. I greatly appreciate it. This is from the Perfect Hairline collection. It's the fully hand-tied 13x6 lace wig. And I got it in the style Annalise, and this is what the card is looking like. This is an HD transparent lace. The lace is softer than usual, so make sure you guys handle it with care. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees, and I got it in the color DR2/cinnamon wine. And I am just loving this wine colored hair. They do such a great job with their colors. I'm a fan of all of their colors, honestly. And this is what the middle of the stock card looks like. So it's a free part wig. You can style up or down if you want. And yeah, I decided to go with a left side part. I am left-handed, so you know, I'm a versatile chick. Left or right is good for me, but I wanted to do left side. I tried the middle, but I just wasn't feeling it. So yes, here we go. So I will say it is definitely big head friendly for sure. It has 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well, and an elastic band. So what I did was I wanted to make this unit glueless. I went in with the adjustable straps back there. I made them at the tightest setting, and I used the elastic headband. It's pulling the unit nice and tight. I went in underneath with my tinted lace spray from Eben, and I have it in the color medium brown. I sprayed the front of the lace, and then honestly, I did not have to glue it down. I'm so happy about that. You guys know I love me a quick and easy slayage. Less work, the better. So I went in, it has it nice and tight for me. I cut the lace off, and then I just went in with my MAC press powder and a little brush to define the part a little more, and then I went in along the edges with my Juvia's Place. I also just went in with my Juvia's Place palette with the dark brown color, and I went in along the hairline just so it could blend in with my scalp. And yeah, that was pretty much it. I gave myself a little bit of baby hairs right here. I started to do baby hairs, but I don't know. It is what it is. It looks right, that's all that matters. As far as shedding and tangling, this unit does tangle a little bit. It's more on the dry side. If you guys saw earlier when I was trying to figure out, you know, which section I wanted to part my hair in, it was kind of like tangling up just a little bit, but I do think it's because this unit is very, very dry. So keep that in mind. There is a little bit of tangling. I haven't experienced a bunch of shedding, just minimal shedding here and there. So a lot of retailers are selling this unit on their website. It ranges for about $45 to $55, depending on where you get it from. Wig Types has it for $46. Elevated Styles has it for $52. Glamour Trust has it for $50. So yeah, there are a few different websites that carry this unit. I will link the Google link in the description box below. But yes, I like this hair. So overall, I do like this unit. It is cute. It's big hair friendly. There's a lot of pros that come with it. I would say, you know, again, the only cons is that it is tangling. So longer hair units already don't last that long. So with the tangle and the dryness, I do feel like it cuts the length of the, I feel like it does cut the length of the life of the unit. So keep that in mind. But overall, it's cute. As far as density, it's not too thick, but it's not too thin. It's in the middle. And yeah, there you have it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. There are some cute layers to this unit. I think that I would probably just cut it right here, just so all the layers could be a little bit even. But other than that, I am feeling this hair. It's so pretty. I am loving the color and the curl pattern. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Would you wear this hair? What are your thoughts? And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And I have a special surprise for you guys on Thursday. So keep an eye out for that video. Make sure you hit that bell so you will be notified on my video coming up this Thursday. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.